In this video, we'll use a useful tool to evaluate what the driver sees as they're driving your road. So it's especially useful for when evaluating sight stopping distance. So we're going to do all of this in the 3D view. Right click, drive through flyby options. And if I click options here, I can adjust the frame sample spacing, the viewer's position. So here the viewer's at 2 meters. Change that to 1.5 meters. If we want to have them driving on one side of the road, we can do an offset. And we can choose whether to include a target or not. So here we've got the target positioned 135 meters away from the driver, 0.5 meter above the road, and the shape is a 1 meter by 1 meter rectangle. Units for this, it's a metric project, so I'm using meters. If it was an imperial project, we'd be in feet. So, there we go. We can see our target. We'll hit play and move this to make it easier to see. Which is great. Now, if we want to speed things up, we can change the frame sample spacing. Go 2 meters instead of 1. We're going a bit faster. It's giving us our average speed over here. If we'd like to look at it from the other direction, it's just a matter of clicking reverse. And there, I've reached the end of the road, so the target doesn't have anywhere to go, so it disappears. Yeah, pretty useful tool. It'll match however you have the 3D view configured. And one thing that may be common for that is to make to shade your topo surface. So mine's called just LiDAR. We'll turn that surface on here. And if we want to have that transparent, we'll change this from the default value of 255 to be less than that. 255 is fully opaque for alpha channel, 0 is fully transparent. And there we have it. So we switch to the drive-through flyby options. The view updates respectively. Hope you find the feature useful, and thank you for watching.